In example 12, we are asked to subtract two polynomials. The first thing I always do is check to make sure there's nothing else I need to distribute. So in front of our first polynomial, we have nothing to distribute. Neither do we in the second polynomial. But we do have this subtraction, which means that we are going to distribute a negative to everything in the second polynomial. So I like to change this to a plus and add a -1 there. That way I remember to distribute the -1. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this first polynomial that we didn't change, so it's just going to come straight down. But then I'm going to rewrite the second polynomial, distributing that -1. So I get a -6x squared minus 4x and minus 5. It basically changes the signs. After this, I'm going to go ahead and group all of my like terms together, starting with my largest exponent, because we're going to write this in standard form. In this case, my largest exponent is the 2 for the x squared. So I'm going to group the 9x squared and the -6x squared together. Then we can go to our next set of terms, which would be an exponent of 1, so the positive 8x and the -4x. They're going to go ahead and get grouped together. Followed by my constants, because they always bring up the end, the positive 15 and the -5. Now we can go ahead and combine our like terms. So I have 9x squared and -6x squared, which will give me 3x squared. Then we have the positive 8x and the -4x, which will give me positive 4x, followed by our constants, the positive 15 and -5, which will give me positive 10. Check to make sure it's in standard form. We have x squared, x, and then a constant, and then you're done.